Well, I think it's very good that we've organized for the first time the Global Dignity Day in Mongolia, and I hope that that will continue every year from now on. We had a very lively discussion, and especially young people had more to discuss rather than us tell the young people about the dignity. I feel that the main message was that dignity starts from very simple things. Whether you are poor or whether you are rich, you live within the law, the rule. And you try to help the others. You respect yourself, but also you respect others. And I think by helping others, they start respecting you, and then you respect yourself. That was one of the young students' message.
Dear YGLs, we have successfully launched Global Dignity Day in Mongolia. The reception is enormous. Great idea, great job. Thank you for the support, and hope to keep Mongolia in for this great initiative and make it not just one day in a year, but 365 or 66 days of dignified living. Thank you.